saw? We saw like Rough Riders there. They were serving. They were like at the cashier. I don't know. Wait.
The game is 5 yards and 7 and 5.
I know so many people here right now. Oh my god. Wait. Pay attention. But being completely honest.
Hold on a second. I'm recording.
Roland Gilligan Jr. with the tackle. He takes down Case.
You're in my mom's vlog now.
Return.
Hey, make the cut. Special chick way. I think we gotta go with vodka, right? Because we've been having vodka, no?
The Steelers go for 57 yards. The Maulers take the lead, 6-3.
All right, I'm going to start with the first clue is that there is a living fort from the 1870s here. The location is where the Northwest Mounted Police brought Canadian law to the West. It's located in southwest Saskatchewan and part of Cypress Hills Interprovincial Park. Nikki, I'm going to give you 3 options.
Oh, what?
Was?
No, Cypress Hills. Maybe Lake Diefenbaker?
Fort Walsh National Historic Site. Is Gaynor in Waskesiu? Or is Gaynor in Lake Diefenbaker?
Fort Walsh. I'll say Fort Walsh.
Going with 1. Fort Walsh National Historic Site. You are correct, sir. You are $2 to the Rocky Star. Congratulations. Thanks for playing.
Yeah, you got it.
The Foundation 50/50 jackpot presented by IFC is worth $138,000 if you can take it. You can get your tickets at the end of today's game. Find South.
Patterson's pass is complete. A.J. Baker with the catch. There's a minor first down.
Buildings, yeah.
Patterson's pass intended for A.J. Glenn is incomplete. Second down. Flag on the play.
So it's second down right now. I went to high school with
I hope
him.
you know if they lose. We have
The
to
receiving.
Defense.
Mitchell Picton. I went to high school. Yeah. When you see the gainer pass by, we have to take a video of it. So this is yeah, I don't want to stand. And it's only like, what, 20 bucks more? Oh yeah, it's rowdy. I mean, we can always go there.
Checking out the play for the Riders, number 89.
Go to town. Yeah. He's a receiving. Yeah. I saw that. What's the funniest thing is the guys like all probably
Jay Patterson's pass is complete. Samuel Emilus with the catch.
It's pretty cold though. It's pretty cold today.
He has 6 seconds down.
We've got the best fans in the CFL page. Okay, we are proud to highlight the 6th season ticket conversion game. Tonight's season ticket conversion game has had season tickets since 1972, but their family has been coming to games since the 1950s. She's been to many great cups, with the first one being in 1973, and coming to minor games has been a family tradition for her with her nephew carrying on the tradition of season tickets. Here to present our winner with a personalized jersey is Riders quarterback Trevor Harris. Rider Nation, let's hear it for Lynette Evans.
Oh, I met him at the drive-thru. Yeah. Yeah, I met him. I'm like, I don't want to
All right, Rider fans, it is time for the Direct West t-shirt. Let's say we have the Gatling Gun in the southeast corner, and my dream has come true. I get to shoot the Gatling Gun. Tonight, here we go.
They're gonna throw it. They're gonna throw it.
Team is in 531 and 532. Looking for the loudest rounds. Action 531, 532. Make some noise!
Hey.
I haven't seen Gator yet.
I saw him today. Did Alexa go to the rave with you?
Patterson's pass is complete. Sean Gay Jr. with the catch. There's a flag on the play.
Offside, Saskatchewan number 19, 5-yard penalty, will replace second down.
Patterson's pass is incomplete. Samuel Emilus, the intended receiver. Third down.
Oh my god, this guy's been playing forever. Like, I got see that guy's photos so much. Oh no, 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 no.
Cody Case with the punt return for the Bombers, tackling in the 22-yard line. Godfrey Onyeka with the tackle for the Riders. Used on the line number 90, Miles Brown, and also number 8, Marcus Sales. It's gained of 6 in second and 4.
Legal contact and receiver. Saskatchewan number 24. Vineyard Kelly resulted in the first down.
My hands are so shaky.
Zacharias' pass complete to Brady Olivera.
They had everything here. Coney Island, poutine. They had pho. They had pho over there, like in the back. Pho. They had pho. Like who wants pho right now?
I do. She was like, if you're hungry.
I know, right? I just want everything right now. What? Can we get a view here first? Oh, now Prairie Donair? Oh my god, I just want everything right now. Oh. Oh my god, oh my god.
It's kind of like a stampede,
Basically, yeah, basically.
but more around a sport instead
Oh my
of-
god, I saw the crowd for Stampede. It was like crazy. It was so packed.
The Sunday, they broke a record for Stampede on how many people. I think it was like 400,000.
That's crazy. EDC was 500 or 400,000, babe.
Yeah, that's fucking insane.
Yeah.
I was actually watching, there's this one show on Netflix, it's a documentary, and it's about a rave that went down. It's called Woodstock.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
And that was crazy when I watch it, and I'm like, wow, I never thought about how, like, fucking people can lose control of the
Yeah.
crowd, and it just go, like, crazy.
Yeah.
Like, they were lighting stuff on fire, they were, like, burning stuff down.
Did you see the fire festival? Like the documentary, you should watch that. No, it was like an island that like went wrong. Yeah.
No, I watched that one, too. It was in Atlanta.
Yeah.
like, I would not buy a ticket for the first time a festival is running.
Where are these people coming from?
So this is like a
The food court?
$80 ticket, I think. Oh no, it's a food. I don't know. I think you can
Oh, it's like a bar. It's like a bar basically, right?
put it in. I think they have food.
Should we check it out? We'll just walk around.
on how you can stay safe at work. All right, fans, this is on you made for tonight's Pepsi Fan Jam. Get up on your feet and have a good time. The Pepsi Fan Jam.
My video is so like people go all over the place.
And Brett Lotter is good from 41 yards out. Thanks to that quality tire field goal. The lucky fan in section 241, row 7, C8, has just won a football signed by Brett Lotter, courtesy of Quality Tire. Jameer Thurman with the strip. First down Riders from their own 29-yard line.
Doesn't matter. How much time do we have? 2 minutes? Loser.
Glenn Brakovich with the carry for the Riders. It's gain of 4 and second down.
How did they get that?
And our please reset the game clock to 5 seconds. 5 seconds.